Hi, everyone. If you're preparing for an exam, you're probably staring at a mountain of study material and thinking, how am I going to remember all of this? I've been there. I've had the textbooks, bought all the study guides, the endless notes, but it wasn't working. So I asked myself, what if I approach this differently? Passing isn't really about memorizing massive amounts of information anyway. It really is about using the right strategies, learning how to recognize key concepts, identifying important keywords, understanding material in context, and recall it when it matters most during the exam. So, in this course, I'll show you how to use AI powered study strategies to make learning faster, easier, and really more effective, and turn AI into your ultimate study partner. So here's what I'll cover in this course. Learning the art of prompting is the single most important skill you'll develop in this course to help with your exam preparation. Next, I'll go over keywords. Every exam comes with its own set of domain-specific terms and definitions. AI can help map out the key terms for any study topic. I'll show you how to quickly create flashcards using AI to target the exact terms and concepts you need to know for your exam. Instead of memorizing, you can ask AI to turn complex topics into simple memory techniques. Exams love to test the difference between similar terms. AI can help by breaking down similar concepts so you can clearly understand the differences. AI can walk you through formula-based questions one step at a time, turning intimidating math into a repeatable process for you. Memory research shows that reviewing organized summaries strengthens long-term memory retention, far better than rereading full chapters. Finally, I'll go over proven test-taking strategies for tackling tricky exam questions. Also included in this section are several resources for you to download, such as prompt templates and a list of different prompts you can use.